Let me show you how Minexa makes scraping multiple job listings simple for anyone, no matter your technical background. Here we are on the Ethical Jobs page with executive assistant positions already listed. Next, click the icon at the top of your browser to open the Minexa extension and get started. With Minexa open, press the I'm on the right page button to let it analyze the page and detect the job listings. Minexa automatically found pagination, so it will go through all pages every time you run the scraper. Now choose whether to scrape just the job listings or to include each job's detail page as well. Click Continue for a simple setup, or use Advanced to add clicks, scrolls, or inputs before the list loads. Minexa has automatically selected the section containing the job listings. Click Create Scraper to train it to extract data at scale. It now detected every relevant field like job title, location, date posted, and company. Developers can click API Request to get ready to use Python code with all settings pre-filled for easy integration. Confirm and lock your scraper configuration by clicking Complete Configuration to finalize the setup. Pagination was detected automatically, so your scraper collects data from every page of results each run. Connect Google Sheets or set a schedule if you want. Then hit Complete Setup to finish creating your scraping job. The last step is to click Run and start extraction immediately. Minexa begins collecting all job listings right away. The dataset spans multiple pages, but every row is consistent with fields like job title, location, employer, and posted date. This consistency comes from training the scraper once and applying it automatically across all pages. Click Export to save your data as an Excel file or JSON, ready for analysis or reporting. No experience is needed to get data from any website with Minexa. Developers also benefit from reliable scrapers that won't break when sites update.